Hello, you're watching Proactive. Here's a look at some of the stories we've been following in the resources sector this past week. Atome has landed $420 million in debt financing for its Villeta green fertilizer project in Paraguay. Major backers include the European Investment Bank, the IFC, and the Green Climate Fund. CEO Olivier Mussat highlighted the significance of the project due to growing volatility in global fertilizer supply chains.
I think everybody understood it when we talked about critical minerals a year ago. The reality is just that fertilizer is possibly more important than critical mineral because we need to eat every day.
Atome Energy is acquiring a second grid connection asset, taking its total secured capacity to 13 MVA. The company is targeting 100 megawatts within 18 months, with some sites potentially generating revenue within a month.
We're focused on scaling the business in a way that builds long-term value, not just raising capital for the sake of it, and ensuring that the investors coming in are aligned with our journey.
Buccaneer Energy has picked up the Carlisle 1 well, lifting production to around 155 barrels a day. CEO Paul Welch said the proposed Fouke waterflood project could play a key role in unlocking further reserves within the Pine Mills field.
It will allow this field, this portion of the field, to be, the production to extend another 10 to 15 years. So it's a really big, important part of the step forward for us. There's a lot of barrels there. They're very profitable, and so we need to get after it with our partner.
Empire Metals reported strong drilling results at its Pitfield titanium project in Australia. Managing Director Sean Bunn emphasised the significance of this discovery for the project's economics.
The importance of this is for every tonne we mine, we're going to probably be seeing 10-20% more titanium in the ore, and that comes at no extra cost of mining.
Rome Resources keeps hitting consistent high-grade tin at its Kalai prospect in the DRC. Intercepts are getting thicker and mineralization is extending at depth, pointing to a bigger resource ahead as the company moves closer to development.
It's a relatively short fuse in terms of the timeline to getting development. The Kalai license is actually officially a small-scale mining license. So actually turning it into a producing entity will not have many in the way of regulatory hurdles. So yeah, it will be fast-tracked.
Follow us and subscribe on YouTube, our social channels, and on proactiveinvestors.co.uk.